tootling along in my little two-wheel drive pick-em-up truck. Ooh, they plowed here. That's cool. There's a 4x4 here that keeps hitting every blessed snowbank. I'm fishtailing around, but that's cool too. Anyway, Minnesota, we have a weed out factor called bald tires and bad batteries. If you have bald tires and bad batteries coming into Christmas, the winter season, you're not happy. And then we also have the stuck car phenomena, like those people. We don't want to be like them. Anyways, this is Minnesota.